Hi guys, welcome to the Vet Classroom. In this video we are working from C2 Core Maths textbook by Pearson, and we are busy working through chapter 1 exercise 1b questions 2e and f. Right, dividing polynomials by expressions. First of all, we need to rewrite the polynomial in a divisible form, so we're going to just say 2x to the power of 3 plus 4x squared minus 9x minus 9 divided by x plus 3. Right, we're going to start by saying 2x to the power of 3 divided by x is 2x squared, so that when we multiply them with one another, 2x squared times x, we are back to the same number. Then we don't forget about the plus 3. 2x squared times 3 is plus 6x squared. Now we need to subtract this part from the top part, and before we can do that we need to change the signs, right? So we change the signs, and then we've got 2x to the power of 3 minus 2x to the power of 3, which is 0, and 4x squared minus 6x squared is minus 2x squared. We bring down that minus 9x, and then we start the process all over again. So minus 2x squared divided by x will give us minus 2x, because when we multiply them with one another, minus 2x times x, we get minus 2x squared. Minus 2x times 3 will give us minus 6x. We need to subtract them from one another, so we multiply with a negative at the bottom, so we change the signs. And then we are left with minus 2x squared plus 2x squared is 0. Minus 9x plus 6x is minus 3x. And then we bring down the minus 9. Okay, we start the process all over again. Minus 3x divided by x is minus 3. Minus 3 times x is minus 3x. Minus 3 times plus 3 is minus 9. We subtract them from one another, and we have to change the signs first. So minus 3x plus 3x is 0. Minus 9 plus 9 is also 0. So we can say that x plus 3 is indeed a factor of that polynomial, and our answer is 2x squared minus 2x minus 3, and this is also known as the quotient. Because when we multiply the quotient and the factor with one another, we should get back to the polynomial when we do the inverse operations. Okay, moving on to letter F, we start by rewriting it in divisible form. Minus 15x squared plus 14x plus 24 divided by x minus 6. We're going to start off by saying 2x cubed divided by x is 2x squared, because when we multiply them in, we have to get back to 2x to the power of 3. Then 2x squared times minus 6 will give us minus 12x squared, and we need to subtract them from one another, so we change the signs. And then we have 2x to the power of 3 minus 2x to the power of 3, which is 0. Minus 15x squared plus 12x squared will give us minus 3x squared. Then we bring down the plus 14x, and we start the process again. Minus 3x squared divided by x is minus 3x, because minus 3x times x will give us minus 3x squared. Minus 3x times minus 6 will give us plus 18x. Now we need to subtract them from one another, so we change the signs. Minus 3x squared plus 3x squared is 0. Plus 14x minus 18x is minus 4x. We bring down the plus 24. Minus 4x times divided by x is minus 4. Minus 4 times x is minus 4x. Minus 4 times minus 6 is plus 24. And when we subtract them from one another, we change the signs. Minus 4x plus 4x is 0. Plus 24 minus 24 is also 0. So we can say that x minus 6 is a factor of that polynomial, and our answer, x squared minus 3x minus 4, is also known as the quotient. That concludes Chapter 1, Exercise 1b, Questions 2, E and F.